If Steam keeps crashing on your PC, then we know how you can fix it. Simply watch this video till the end to learn how to fix it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. Steam constantly crashing is a common issue and it can be caused by several things. Here, we will show you how you can fix it. So simply follow and perform all the solutions shown to solve this issue. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also like this video if it helps you solve this issue. The first thing you need to do is open any internet browser. We are going to use Chrome here to do it. Copy this command from the description of this video and paste it on the address bar. You can also type it if you prefer. Just write steam:///flushconfig/ and press enter. A pop-up dialog box will appear asking if you want to open the Steam client bootstrapper. Confirm it and Steam will open and start updating. The update will take some time to finish. After the update is finished, log in to your Steam account and it should no longer crash. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you are facing any issue while performing them. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.